Konnichiwa, welcome to Mrs. Lynn's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Yaki Nasu. Yaki is grill and Nasu means eggplant in Japanese. This is a simple dish that Japanese makes at home, but you can also find it in the izakaya style restaurants. Only 4 ingredients are used in this recipe. You will need ginger, eggplant, katsuobushi, and soy sauce. So let me show you how to make it now. Here is the ingredients overview. When choosing eggplant, try to find the one that's straight and uniform in shape. It'll be easier to grill. Make sure to wash the eggplants well before using. You can make this recipe gluten-free by using the gluten-free soy sauce. First, cut around the stem area like what I'm doing here. You don't want to cut off the stem tip completely. Only cut the loose part as much as possible so the eggplant will cook evenly. There are different kinds of eggplant, and for this dish, I use the Japanese or Chinese eggplant. They're longer and slimmer in shape. Grate some ginger. Ginger is used for garnishing, so you can add more or less depending on your liking. To grill the eggplants, place them on a grilling rack and grill on medium-high heat until the skin is burned and looks wrinkly. I cook mine for about 15 minutes, 5 minutes on each side. Depending on the size of your eggplant, you might need to adjust cooking time accordingly. Make sure to rotate your eggplants so they are grilled evenly. It's okay for the skin to burn because we'll peel it off before serving. Remove the eggplants from the heat when done. Let the eggplants cool off a little bit, then start peeling the skin. You can use a skewer or a toothpick to slide the skin off like how I'm doing here. After grilling, the skin should come off easily. Next, cut the eggplants into small bite-sized pieces and place on a serving plate. To serve, sprinkle some katsuobushi. Add some grated ginger on the top of the eggplants. And lastly, drizzle some soy sauce. Japanese dishes are into preserving that natural flavors, so no heavy sauce is used. Just plain grated ginger, katsuobushi, and soy sauce are used. Enjoy! So here is a quick and easy Yaki Nasu. Eggplant is in season now until fall. I hope you try it out. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Please share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.